the dark side.
Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here, and I'm in my 1998 Chevy Malibu POS, and we're going to fix that ignition because the ignition's messed up in it. Right now it's okay, but it locks up. So we're going to pull it out. It's a brand new ignition cylinder. We put it in there. I'm not sure if we put it in wrong or what, but we're going to pull it out and put it back in again and try to reset the security on this thing, because when you turn it off, it doesn't like to turn off. It likes to stay on and won't let you pull the key out. And then you have to wait. Well, in this case, it was overnight before we could pull the key out. I could not get this key out last night. And we're going to pull that out for now, because we're going to take this off here. You do that just by pulling this ashtray out, and getting underneath, and just pulling. You know, be careful about it. You don't want to rip it off. But there, that pulls out. Then you have the lighter. You have to unhook the, well, you don't really have to unhook it, but it's probably best just to get it out of your way. There's a little blue clip right there that you take off to do that. Now I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna pull out these, the heater and air conditioning controls. I'm gonna pull them out just by taking these screws out here, and the stereo. And then we'll pull right out, and then I'll come right back to you, okay? All right, I don't know how well you can see that, but right back there, right. Let's see if I can find it. Holy crap. Right there. Right there where that screwdriver is. Let's see if I can get this in there. Yeah, I'm not having a very good. Right there where that screwdriver is. Okay, right here, there's a little square hole, and you can put that screwdriver in it. And I'm having trouble getting my camera in there to show you, but there's a little square hole that you put the tip of a screwdriver in. It doesn't matter what kind, flat or Phillips, so it should fit in there, and it pushes the locking mechanism back. All right, so let's see if we can't pull this. I'm gonna pause this a minute and try to get that out of there. All right. See if we can't. It's up here. All right, pulled right out. There's that button. There's that button I was telling you about right there. Right there. All right, now we gotta look in there and see which way that's lined up. Okay, so we're going to slide that. See, it isn't lined up right here, so we're going to turn this key until it lines up correctly. I'm not sure. Okay. Come like that. Okay, there we go. All right, we're going to turn it all the way. See it still. See that? Still won't let me take the key out. So I'm not sure if I got it right or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this again. All right, looks like we got it. Key comes out, key goes back in. All right, now it's off, and the battery terminal has been unplugged from the battery. It's been unhooked from the battery. So now what I gotta do is I gotta set the safety security feature. And what you want to do for that is you want to turn the car off, make sure it's off. All right, key can come out, car's off. Hook the battery back up, turn it on, wait 10 minutes, turn it off, wait 10 minutes, and then turn it back on and wait another 10 minutes for a total of 30 minutes. And that should reset the battery, or not the battery, but the security feature in the car, reset the battery. So that's what we're going to try. And I'm not a mechanic, guys. I know nothing about cars, really. I don't. The only reason I know this is because I watched a YouTube video. So if I did this wrong somehow, please let me know. And oh, by the way, there's a little slot in the back of this that I probably should have showed you. But if you look at the back of the ignition and you look back in this casing, when you go to do it, you'll see that there's a little slot back there that like a keyway, that a little square thing fits in. And you got to make sure that them are lined up. Otherwise, it won't let you have your key back like that. And it won't turn off. And it won't turn on. And it won't fit in. So you can't really do it too wrong. As far as getting this in there, it won't go in unless you have it right. So, all right, let's hook the battery back up and go from there. All right, got the battery hooked back up. We're going to put the key in, and we're going to see that system alert light just went off. We're going to wait. Let me turn the windshield wipers off. Now we're going to wait 10 minutes. So I'll get back with you here in 10 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes. All right, this is the first time we've had it on. All right, so we're going to shut it off. And it turned right off. And now we wait another 10 minutes and come back and turn it back on for 10 more minutes. All right, I'll bring you back in a minute. All right. It's been another 10 minutes. We're going to turn it back on. And security light went off. And we're going to wait. We're going to wait another 10 minutes. And then we're going to shut it off and turn it back on. And see if we can pull the key out. If it'll let us pull the key out. I'm sure it will. The problem we've been having is that once we turn the key off, after we drive it, all right, so if we drive it in reverse or drive it in drive for any amount of time, when we park it again, it won't shut off unless we have our key. So I took the ignition out again and put it back in again prior to this video. It would not work. When we first replaced this, it worked the first couple times and then it started acting up, and I think we did the security wrong, but we might have had the ignition lined up wrong. However, I've also heard that these cylinders, when you buy them, can be bad, which may be the case. And if that's the case, it's just taking it back to the auto parts store and getting a new one and replacing it and trying all of this again. All right, so I'll be back in a little bit. All right. So Here it is. That's the last time. We turn it off. Look, we can pull the key out. That was the last 10 minutes. Let's see if we can turn it back on. Car starts. Oh, lights went off. Except for the ABS light. Because I got an issue with the ABS, but that's not this video. Alright, anyway, looks good, right? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to step on the brake. We're going to put it in reverse. See, it's in reverse. Then we're going to drop it down into drive. Then we're going to put it back in park. Alright. Now, let's see if it'll turn off. Will not let me have my key back. Will not. Won't shut off all the way. Oh, look, there it is. All right, reverse, drive, park. See, if I wiggle it back and forth, I can get the key out. I wonder if this ignition ain't bad too. Okay, so before you knew it, I couldn't get the key out, right? Well, after talking with my friends a little bit about what was going on, they told me that I needed to get in here and wiggle this gear shifter, and I wiggled the gear shifter a little bit, and the key come out. So I took this cover off that went on here, and I gotta pop this off, I think, get this up. Now I'm gonna get in there and spray it down with some WD-40. That's what they told me. Spray it down with some WD-40 and real good, and give it a good jiggle back and forth, and it should fix the problem. The neutral switch is a little sticky, they said, and that's why it's doing that. So we're gonna get that cover off, and I'll bring it back and see if we can't get this fixed. Okay, we got her back together. Got the car running. All right, got the key in it. We're gonna run through the gears real quick. We do that a couple times. Shut it off. Key comes right out. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. Think we got her fixed, guys. That's great. Well, I'm happy, and I hope you're happy too. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.